Morning, guys. It's Wednesday, October 11th. I don't normally sound like a smoker, do I? Do I? No. I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. Because I have a cough that I can't seem to get rid of, and it just seems to be getting worse. So I'm hoping they can put me on some sort of antibiotic or something that'll help me get rid of it. Because I don't have time for this. Rosalie just fell. She was standing at the gate because the gate was closed, and she was standing in it, and she lost her balance and fell. So now she's here. She's gonna help me make breakfast. Right? Eggs and bacon, right? He got you. She's like, okay. I don't care. You're not dancing. You're so silly back there. You tired? Bella has danced. Daddy has to work. So I spent the morning cleaning various things. So we're dropping him off at work, and then I'm gonna take the car and take Bella to dance, and then I'm gonna have to go get him later. And tomorrow I gotta drop him off at work in the morning because I have a doctor's appointment. I'd take both the girls with me. We'll see how that goes. We're home from dance. A lot of driving, hit some traffic, but we're home. And now I'm going to make, I just cleaned off the kitchen table behind me. And now I'm going to make, where is it? Breakfast for dinner. Why not, right? I just wish I had some fruit. Tomorrow is my shopping day, so I don't have as much food as I normally do in the house. Rosalie's eating her pancakes. Are they good?
Can you cut my pancake?
Hey, you're not supposed to have a knife. No, you dunk them. Just dunk them into the thing and bite into your syrup. Good? Rose likes them too. Oh my goodness, she's like eating them fast. Faster than I'd like her to.
Eat fast!
Look at my girls. Sitting at the table eating together. I love it. Ate all of her food. Did you like it? Did you like it? She's not used to sitting in this chair. She sat in it a couple times when she was younger. But she's never sat in it for this long. Oh my god, don't mind the recycling over there. You gotta take it out.
Hey, Mommy, I need a towel.
Bella got a pumpkin sticker from dance and she put it in the fridge. I told her she could. What are you doing, babe?
What you doing?
Oh, we gotta give you your medicine, baby.
I'll get it. I got it.
Okay. She's still on antibiotics. Where is it?
It's gone. Oh. Right here.
Cat.
All
Alright, these girls are going to play for a little bit while I do the dishes. And then it's bedtime, right?
No.
Can you say goodnight?
No.
Excuse you. Bella. Oh, okay. Alright. Say goodnight, Rose. Say goodbye. Love you. Oh, what are you doing, baby? Last chance. Okay. What are you doing? Are you gonna say goodbye yet?
No.
Okay. Nope. You don't want to say goodbye. Alright, well, tomorrow morning I'm gonna drop Kenny up. Actually, tonight. The girls are going to bed soon. And then I gotta wake them up around 9 to go get Daddy. It's not a big deal. So we're gonna do that later. Look at this baby standing. Hi. What are you doing? Are you standing? Look at you. Don't you bear me raspberries, you silly baby. Careful. Because this morning, that's how she was and she fell and bumped her head. So I put a pillow there. Look at her. It's hard to see because Are you gonna be good tomorrow?
I think so.
Last chance. You wanna say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.